Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Guess what? I broke a nail and I'm actually happy because I've been doing my nails myself. See? Yesterday I actually did these and I was just like, oh my god, I should have YouTubed it. But since I broke this one, I'll show you how I do it. Before we start, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and a big thumbs up. Thank you. So I'm just gonna file this down. I was actually doing something, lifting something heavy, and I kind of just like hurt it. Some videos you'll see that my nails are done, so, and that's pretty much, you see how I get just a little bit better every time, so that's cool. So I'm gonna file it down. It's nice and filed down. So you're getting ready to go somewhere and you break your nails, you can get it done real quick. So I'm going to show you how I do my nails. I actually started, this one actually was the original one that broke, as I told you earlier. Then I ended up doing this one because my camera it's not downloading my video. So I'm using my Surface Pro and we're going to get this nail on. And hopefully it all works out well. So first I'm going to take this little file and I'm going to just make sure that my cuticles are all like just clear, because I did actually just take this nail off. I want you to be able to see it. So let's try that again. That's the cool thing about doing your own stuff. You can just keep on trying. Keep on. Try. Okay, now here we go. We're going to try that again. I used a smaller nail tip, a smaller pinky nail tip, so maybe that'll just work. We don't want to make mess, so we have to be careful. So put your base on. Do not go all the way down to your cuticles. Don't just make sure you don't go all the way down. Yeah, I've been going at this for a while. I refuse to give up, though. I won't do it. I'm like, no, I'm not giving up. So you take your base coat and you just put it on there. Don't go all the way down to your cuticles yet. You don't want it thick at the bottom because it looks really icky when it grows out. Second inside all this is from my Amazon because I love Amazon now. And then we're just going to go one more time. So make sure those cuticles are out of the way. Make sure they're out of the way. You don't want them getting all icky. And we're going to put that on there. Going to do a little bit just around the edges up top now, just like on the top of your nail. Okay. And then we are going to dip. I'm going to tap it off and brush it off. Dip, tap, brush. I'm going to file this just a little bit. And I'm going to put the activator. Just going to make sure it's on there good. Let that sit for a second. Just a second. Hi, friends. That's going to be a weird picture. But anyway, we are going to take the brittle file and file it down nice and thin. Since it's my pinky finger, it's not going to take a long time. It doesn't take a long time anyway, but... So make sure you get it down there good. It's with the brittle, I guess the harsher one. Make sure you get it all. Looking good. My girlfriend today actually at work, she was like, oh my God, you're getting so much better with your nails. Because for the first couple of times I did them, which this is only about my 4th time. But it was bad, but I didn't care because I'm like, you know what? I'm practicing. And that's what happens when you learn something. You know, it takes time. So literally, this is the nail I took off so I can show you guys how I put my nail on. And my thumb twice, and this one. I just did this one. This is pretty. Like the way I'm learning how to do designs now. That's my new thing. So maybe I'll put a little design on this one. So you gotta just buff on. Just buff, baby, buff, baby. Make sure it's not rough, baby. Yeah, that's pretty much the size. So you want to make sure it's real. Just because, if I can find it really quick in all of my just because I wanted to show you how I do my designs, I'm just going to do like one little one here. So I'm just learning, but you know, you learn. So what I'm going to do is just do actually a stripe across and another stripe across. That's all I'm going to do is 2 little stripes. That's it. And then I'm going to make sure I'm going to let that dry. Make sure you you tighten everything up because you don't want to mess. You don't want this to spill. It is extremely fine powder dip. It's extremely fine and colorful, as you can see. So you do not want that to fall anywhere. So I'm going to take a little gemstone. So this is where I dropped my glue at right here. There's still some there, a little bit. So I'm going to put it like right in the center. And then I'm just going to take my little, actually I'm going to use this one here. I probably only need 1. I'll use 2. So that's it. Let's put it on there. Put the top coat. Make sure you get under your nail. And then I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal, or my Revlon actually. And I'm going to top it off because it's really, really, really pretty. I think it has a really, really good shine to it. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit on that one. And you can just play around and figure out what you want to do, what you want, and just do it. Just do it. And we're back into the light, as you can see. It's weird the way the light shows on the video. But, I don't want to mess that up. So, that's my nail I did today. These are my nails that I did. I just did them pretty. I love this orange, but you have to look at some of my videos because the yellow, I love the yellow. It is so beautiful. So we actually did the pinky. It was that, that was really, really quick too. And that was my first nail design ever. First one ever. I am so proud of that one. And I guess this was my second one today. Yeah, so I have it under the lamp. It's all going good and everything. This is my nails. This is my my Amazon review of my nails, doing my nails, the G powder, or G, what is it called? Hold on. Yeah, the GH dip nails. I showed you in the beginning of nail dip. I showed you in the beginning of the video everything that you see me use. I did order off of Amazon. It's not really that hard, and it's so easy. This is the other part to my drill. This is like all of my drills, like that goes with my drill kit. And I mean, my husband actually used these on his models and everything. So these are cool, and it comes with these. It's another thing that comes with that, and that it's really easy and good. I don't like to use it on my nails because I'm not really that good at it yet, and I keep filing my nails down too small. But that is it. We are done. This is my nails. I don't know what that. Oh, that's I had this little thing going on my shoulder. No big deal. It's okay. So yay. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for joining me. That was fun. Yeah, so let's see if I can get this down there, okay? Bye. It's just like all types of powdery dip, whatever, man. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and a nice big thumbs up. Bye, friends.